Hello everyone. Change is never easy and it often creates discord. But when people come together for the good of humanity and the earth, we can accomplish great things. We are from Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering and we are Team ECOSPHERE. We have built a prototype based on our topic AI powered urban heat island mitigation using smart tree planting. So this is how our prototype looks like. We have built a website, and if I will let you go through the About Us page, we have identified the problem statement, and our problem statement is to identify urban heat islands and initialize smart tree plantation. Our vision clearly states the concrete jungle is overheating. We believe intelligent data driven greenery is the city's ultimate air conditioner. About the things that we are going to do in this prototype. Number one, we are going to identify urban heat islands by comparing city and rural temperatures. So the benchmark to identify urban heat island is to get the rural temperature and setting it as a benchmark to identify if the mapped urban city is urban heat island or not. Second, we are going to calculate the ideal number of trees needed for cooling specific zones. And third, we will recommend the native species which will grow well in that urban city. So these are our impacts and I would like you to meet the team. We have Harshal, Aryadhaman, Meet Shah and I am Muskan Thakur and I will lead you through this prototype. Coming to the home page. Green City Initiative, Smart Tree Planting for Urban Cooling. So this is our main page which lets the user identify if their city is urban heat island or not. For example, let's search a city. We have a smart search bar. If we will start typing the urban city, we will eventually get the recommendation in the search bar. For now, I am selecting Pune. I will click on Get Recommendations. You will simply get a regional overview. Now let me tell you the tech stack. As for the website, you can clearly see for the front end, we have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. For the back end, first of all, we are using Python Fast API and we have also used machine learning algorithms as a part of artificial intelligence. We have used algorithms like random forest and fuzzy. To get the average temperature, we have used Python Fast API. The API key fetches the real-time temperature of the city. For example, right now at this particular time, the average temperature of Pune is 29.5 degrees Celsius. If I move on to the next feature, it's urban heat island status. For now, it's normal. And how we are going to do it? The backend works completely on the machine learning. And for classification, the warm zone, our machine learning algorithm that uses random forest and fuzzy has classified Pune as a warm zone based on the different features like the average temperature, humidity and many more features. If I go down, we have a UHI comparison chart. For example, right now I have selected Pune, so it provides me with the temperature of Pune, the humidity of Pune, and all of this is done using Python Fast API. We have used OpenWeather API and the API key fetches the real-time data. Mapped to this urban city Pune, we have a rural city Loni Kalbor, which has a temperature of 29.8 degrees Celsius and humidity 35%. We will simply calculate the difference between the two temperatures. Right now it's minus 0.32 degrees Celsius. And that's how we detected that no UHI is there. So Pune is a safe city and there is no specific need for plantation of trees right now. But now if I go down, as it says, plantation prescription is 0 as it is not urban heat island. But still, if the user aims to plant trees in Pune, there are some recommended species like Indian beech, Arjun tree with specific qualities like good shade and tolerates various conditions. Now if I select any other city, for example, now if I take Hyderabad. Yes, now we will just get the recommendations. So now you can see that this is alarming. First of all, we again know Hyderabad's temperature is 28.2. Now you can imagine the aim of our prototype. As you can see, 28.2 doesn't seem very hot, but its urban heat island status is hot. That's how our model works. It doesn't just look for the temperature. It looks for the comparison we are using. Like if Hyderabad is the urban city and its rural area is Chivela and its temperature is 21 and Hyderabad's temperature is 28. So we aim down to bring Hyderabad's temperature to its mapped rural area's temperature. And how are we going to do that? We just calculate the difference and we detected that 7.23 degrees Celsius. That's the difference, which is quite high. And as per the definition of urban heat island, if any urban city has its temperature difference or in the range of 4 to 5 degrees Celsius as compared to its rural area, then there is some concern. And this is this concern that red mark is shown as it is a critical state, as it shows a critical status, and it is alarming. So now, this was the problem that we identified, and how are we going to solve it? Using AI. That's where we use artificial intelligence. Our AI is giving us a solution to plant 2,500 trees of either Indian beech or Arjun tree that provides good shade and tolerates various conditions. And if we plant these trees in this number of quantity, then there are very high chances that we will bring Hyderabad's temperature to its rural area's temperature. So that's how our model works. We don't just tell you to plant trees randomly anywhere. We show you why it's needed and how much quantity is required. So this was about our urban heat island status. If I go to the other features of our website, we have an article section built with dedication by the team to give you awareness. As you can see, there are major headlines like Mumbai spending will be double of New York's to manage urban heat island in India, the 2024 climate crisis. There are many more templates like that give you awareness about the urban heat island, which is also a part of motivation, that why we built this prototype. So as you can see, there are many templates, and if you are a good reader and you need to know about the current status or the recent news regarding global warming or urban heat island, you can simply just click on read more, and it is hyperlinked to big news companies like the Times of India is there if you need to read more about that issue. So this is what articles page will do. Now going to contact us page. So if you want to get in touch with us, like you have any questions about how do you do this or any other thing you want to know, or even if you want to give us a feedback, I'll just put a name to give you a sample of what we do. I have just entered my name. I can enter some Gmail. I have entered the contact number, and I can simply type some message like what is on my mind or what do I need to ask. You can just send the message and we will receive the message and we will get in touch with you through your email address or your contact number. So this was about our project Urban EcoGen, which does not only tell you if your city is an urban heat island, but also provides you with an AI powered solution that gives you the quantity of trees you need to plant. These days we face these issues that people are doing deforestation randomly and not even thinking twice about the environment. We tell you the quantity of plants you need to plant and the species that will be useful. So this is the aim of our prototype, starting from a small city to a country and eventually to the world. This Urban EcoGen will create a vast solution to a bigger problem like this. Thank you and have a good day ahead.